Hi guys. The sunset is so beautiful today. So many big trucks.
Yes, the sun is pretty. Shall we count the trucks today?
Yes, Ma. 1, 2, 3,
You are counting it really nice.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's small. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's a sandy area, Mom.
Yes, it is.
19, 20, and last, 21.